Oh, that's for Gabe and Cat.
From one pig to another.
Stop that.
I was moving that one, Taylor.
Oh.
What did you get, Taylor? Some paper. Some paper? Yeah.
Well, Brittany! Oh, Mike!
Yeah.
Oh, Mike, your presents have lots of stuff in them, so you're getting them.
Oh.
Here's a gift for you. Here, Mike. What is in here? Look, Susie. What we got?
You like your piggy bank from
All right, good.
Oh, what's in there? Clothes.
Papa!
Wow.
Papa's got this one. Patrick.
Hey, that's not right at all.
I'm gonna have you cash this because I ain't got no account nowhere.
What is it?
$50.
Wow.
On January 3rd it is. Not till then.
Here, hold on to it.
You will have to wait till January
Who is
3rd.
this from?
Now, Mama Claus.
Ooh, it's sure.
I think that this one...
Thank you, Nana Mama Claus.
Well, you're welcome. Isn't that pretty? Mike!
I'm getting video.
Mike's got another one. Cass and Gabe, guess what it is?
Yes, they need an Eeyore.
Big enough. Oh, Mike, look at that. That looks nice.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? I think we got to flip it over. There you go. Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Now, what is that? The Renaissance princess.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness, Mike, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, here's boo, Mama. Guess what that is?
Is this one for me or for them?
It's for them, but I have
That's what I
one to use. You can do it.
There's tags on all the ones I wrapped.
Oh, okay. To Gabe. Merry Christmas, Gabe.
You're going to use up a lot of your
There you
gifts.
go,
don't
Taylor.
You want to open it while he's asleep?
Hmm?
You want